Hi everyone, in this video we will take a look at the difference between direct voicemail versus carrier voicemail. So what is the difference? Well, if you have Samsung phone and it is updated to One UI 8, you may have seen the option called direct voicemail. So let's take a look at what it is. Now with carrier voicemail, it is the traditional way when you don't answer a call. The call goes to your carrier's server. The message is stored there and you usually have to call a number to listen to it. With direct voicemail, it is totally different. It works on your phone itself. The phone automatically answers after a few seconds. The caller records the message directly on your device, and Galaxy AI gives you the real-time text transcription. Everything is saved neatly in your phone app, so you can read and listen back to it easily. You can even answer the call while you are still speaking. So in short, carrier voicemail is stored by your network. Usually you have to pay a small fees to retrieve your voicemail, but with direct voicemail it is free, it is faster, private and smarter because it runs on your phone with Galaxy AI. So here, if we go into the phone app, open up the phone app and we go into settings and then tap on direct voicemail, you can turn this feature on or off. And if you scroll down, you can also choose when voicemail will activate. So it can activate voicemail after 5 seconds, after 10 seconds, or after 20 seconds. And here you can also use transcript assist to automatically have text transcribed from the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.